Hello, good day, all my dear friends. How are you doing? Now I bring you the first prototype, the D1050 3-axle crane truck. Cabin is exactly same as the 1350 crane. Here, this cabin also same. The frame, all the designing, the frame for chassis also same idea as the 1350, same quality. But this chassis is a little bit narrower than the 1350. Also, the axles, same structure, only a little bit narrower than the 1350. After you open, you can see inside the decorating is 3D printed. And same, we can lift in the cabin to see under there, we got the LED connections. Here the steel step with the rubbers. That's the LED small board for forward LED. Here that's the brushless big drive motor. And here that's the fuel bear sound system. And the chimney, this chimney now no have a hole. Later I will try drill a hole and leading from chassis a hose going to it so can customize, add smoking. So on top, this cover I already removed only for screw. So you can see inside we have the driven ESC here, 2 receiver for all the function control of the chassis. Here that's the power connection for power supply to all the servo and ESC. And under there, this is the servo for shifting gear, 2-speed gearbox, same as the 1350 crane truck here. And under there, that's the gearbox output CVT drive shaft, steel one. And this position, that's the oil tank for chassis. Here is a 3D printed plastic decoration part. So here, the cabin door can be slide open. Inside, that's the screen showing battery voltage, oil temperature, and when pump start, will show also the oil pressure from pump output. And all this cabin same will be as the 1350. Now only the decoration not finished here. Here that's the 3-in-1 control ESC board for the pump for the rotation. And this side, this cover after open, that's the upper body control receiver. This rear side steel box, it's secured with a sliding open, so you can slide up. Then you will see the 3S XT60 connection LiPo battery. It's inside this steel box. And the rear side now, the cover not finished yet. So all the LED later will have the cover. This is a counterweight block here, hook up from the bottom of the rear side crane. And the original position, when driving, it was putting down to here, secured by the pin. And when rotation and hydraulic control lock it, then lift up. Later I will show you. And here, the right side, we will see all this decoration, since the alloys, leathers, since the alloy, all the hubs. Here's the steel leather. And this cover, push, unlock, close, open, push, lock it. Inside we got the wheel block with the decorating, this steel plate, and that's the steel pump. Now this pump is a little bit different from production one. This one is for testing. Production one will be better quality or tested a long time. And here, transparent hose, it's a suction line, black discharging line, and this is the rotation motor gearbox, and bottom inside there, that's the pinion gear for rotation, and the big rotation steel gear, that's all industrial level. Right side, this cover open, that's the main power switch. So this forward crane, actually, when driving, it is this pin removed, it can turn back, so as one part, then the crane is secured to the main boom right side frame. And now it's already straightened with pin, and later will be secured with clips. Then this side, here we also have, now the pins not same. Production one will be pins with locking pin, it's easy disassemble and assemble. Now I'm using screw. So here that's the roller, and here this one, normal, not working condition, it was secured this position. When working with this crane, it will lift up, and here will be secure with pin for working position with this forward crane. And if no help this crane, this forward, this one roller, yeah, and also bottom this 4 roller, it's for running through the wires for the hook, but now we are using this forward crane. And on top, we will see here, we got pin. Now I'm using screw, yeah, because I'm missing the pin. Production one will be always quick connection pin. So if we remove this pin, this bar will be sliding inside, so changing this arm angle more up or more down. So we have 4 hole position for changing forward crane position. Also, this forward crane, here 4 pin connection, we can remove this 4 pin and turning this connection upside down, so the tilting angle will be different. Also, this forward part start from here. This one can be removed, so we only using this 3 angle connection. So the rope can run through this roller, then going down for hook up, this position, coming down the hook. Means there are different positions for you putting the hook. First position forward, second position you can run it through here, going down. And number 3 position from the main boom, here roller, going down from here. And in the future, now, sorry, these wires, when I push it, broken the wires inside, I need soldering it. In the future, now, here, no help the roller. Later will be ready for the roller here. The roller will be with frame supporting at this position. And in the future, for upgrade, here this, you see this hole already have preserved position, and later we'll give also one wires connections for power supply for one more upgrade winch will be connecting here. This winch, auxiliary winch, is not standard. Future will make for upgrade. This upgrade winch at this position we are running through the ropes, then go to forward. For example, like now, so the main hook will be going through here, coming down from here, main hook. And then the auxiliary winch, the rope, will be running from this roller. Then go to forward. Auxiliary winch will be with an auxiliary hook, a small hook. So 2 hook, main hook here, auxiliary hook here. Main hook for heavy lifting. This auxiliary hook will be for changing the position of the cargo. So for this prototype, not everything finished yet. So production one here will come in one wire with a secure pipe, same like this. This one will be all from here. Power supply wire go to forward, and at forward we will have LED light. So later we will see. And now in the future, not upgrade, production one, yeah. Here we'll have a roller, this position, secure one roller, no power. It is with a spring tight with rope. So it will connect in the rope. To forward this position, we'll be having a 3D printed part. The rope with tension, only one arm out will pull the rope out. When the arm back, the spring will withdraw back the rope. And all this hole is for securing pump. This one for running through the power supply wire. This position later will be a plastic decorating part. Actually, it's the same shape as the roller, but it's a decoration. And here will be another decorating part. We will see after finishing making. Also, production one here will have a greasing gun for decorating. Let's see the sound, horn. Start engine sound, then can start driving for navigation drive. So steering, again, different mode. Steering, small angle, small circle. You can even turn it on a small table. Shifting, different steering mode. Shifting again, again, circulating. Very powerful steering servo. The legs withdraw back. And supporting arm, back, out. Here, that's a special CNC supporting plate, metal one. Completely raising the chassis. Drop it, because we also have hydraulic chassis rising function. Rising, lowering, each suspension with a hydraulic cylinder. Drop it. Then rising the leg, lowering the leg. Now we will see the driver. After start the engine sound, brake, left is for driving forward. So now it is at a differential. And lock the differential, cannot stop. It's a differential or locked. And now it's at low speed. Shifting to high speed, better driving low speed. When driving low, the best way for shifting to high speed. Now it is at high speed. Unlock differential, now it is at differential. Fast drive. And slow down, slow down. Then shifting back to low speed. Now it is at low speed for high torque. Totally brake, pushing to right, driving backward. Slow down, totally stop. After shifting to crane operation mode, rising the cabin, lowering, rise, and for the big boom, rising, lowering, rise, drop it. So for lowering is less speed, valve also open less for easier control. So for the control adjusting letter can be adjusted from the radio for the endpoint of how much opens the valve. Yeah. So now with this angle, I will leave it tilting down. Actually, by changing the pin position, the bar position, this one can be up, also can be more angle down. So now we will leave it like this. So boom out. Now it's fast because the valve is full open. So later we can try set up. Also the valve can be opened less if you like it is coming out less speed, because inside it's a long steel piston cylinder, and when going out, the cylinder is connecting to the rear side of this first. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3. You can calculate as number 3 boom. This 3 boom rear side is connecting to the cylinder, so cylinder directly pushing this 3 boom. And on the cylinder have rollers running through left and right, have left side, right side, metal wires, same like this, secured with clips locking. So one side is for pushing out the first, second boom and first boom. And the left side is for withdraw back the first boom and second boom. So have different rollers and left and right, different metal ropes. Boom's back, now it's fast. Also, yeah, we can adjust the pressure, the speed by valve open how much in the future. Rising it, we do the rotation. And rotation to right side. Yeah, let's first see on here. I also opened the cover. So in here, this position. On here, that's the servo for rear steering and the differential lock and the power supply in line from battery and the hose going to rear side leg. So here we still have place. In the future, I will try to upgrade, yeah, arranging the space and maybe put a new, one more sound system, speaker, and also smoking system maybe to put there. Let's rotation to other side so we can see the counterweight block, how it's moving by hydraulic, how to lift it up. So moving by this position, you can see more clearly. I will drop it, then you will see I can remove it directly. Before was sitting here, original position. So that's the hooking point with a 3 CNC alloy plate. Yeah, so now when it's sitting here, the pin will be coming to this position, then the pin coming down, then rotation the body until the pin going in, lock, then lift up. Now I will put it there in position. So this protection plate inside, that's the main winch. Future auxiliary winch for upgrade this position. And now this locking pin for the counterweight block, drop it. After rotation, lock with the counterweight block, then rising. So let's rotation to the place, then lift up the counterweight block. So when it's in position, you need to check with your eyes. So this position, when you see the pin, keep rotation. When it's near, actually you see from this side, it's more clear. So when left side locking pin coming to this position, then put it down. Then keep rotation until in the hole, then lift up. So keep rotation. After in position, drop it. Then keep rotation until it's in the hole. Then rising it in position. Then keep rotation. Counterweight block is ready. Very easy operation. Rising the boom because it will touching. Yeah, I will rotation it back. I need a big warehouse to show you the long arm of cranes. Rotation back. Let's see. I will put it down of the main boom, then all the booms out. We will see the length. Down. I need more roof place. So now, first, the hook, put it down, giving more position for the rope. Out. Drop a little bit. Release the rope. Can do same time. Continue. Drop the rope. Continue almost there. Drop the rope. In position. That's the total length. So imagine if I put this pin in different position to keep it straight. It's almost near here. So it was at this angle, now I will change it. If I put down, at this position aligned with the hole, I secure it, it will be with this angle. Also I can put this angle, that's one position. This angle, secure again, one more position. So the most straight position will be here. Then I will secure it. Lock the pin. Secure it. So all boom out with forward crane straight. Let's see how long it is. So until the wire position, or let's say until here, that's so better angle from here, 373 centimeter total length. So the main boom without forward crane come until here, that's 257 length after all boom out. So the cabin and the chassis wideness around 18.3. So supporting legs out, you can see from left to right, it's around 46.5. Total length of the chassis forward to rear bumper, it's around 66.5. After rising by legs, it's around to the counterweight top of the main body of the crane, it's 28.5. Let's see the booms all back. Then we will see how total weight is this crane truck. The hook take back, same time. Hook back, boom back, same time. Slow down in position. And hook continue rising to the top. Then drop it, we will see, measure it, how much is the total weight. Drop the cabin. This door will be sliding, close it, yeah. And shifting back to chassis operation. So this supporting plate, turning and then secure with the magnet position. It's not in position yet. Secured. Support leg arms back. So now it's different from prototype to production one. Production one inside. These holes here for this vertical cylinder, the holes will be secured with plate only on top. So when the cylinder moving inside, the holes will never be bended, be cut. So will be protected for the holes of this vertical cylinder for more safe. So now I will leave the forward crane here, drive a little bit. In my another video, I will move the forward crane to secure on the big arm, then show you the driving function. Forward drive. Go backward. Let's see the net weight with 3S battery and hydraulic oil inside. Okay, it's around 22.3 kg. So now this prototype and future the production one will be all fitting with Paladin EV radio. And after I receive the first production one, then I will test with the EV again and show you all the settings from EV and how is all the functions working also with the chassis and the parts. And also I will try to upgrade it to a RaySky XE radio, then upgrade maybe one more sound system and a smoking system. Smoking maybe coming out most cool, with engine for the 4-cylinder diesel engine. For hydraulic sound, always have the mix control. Thank you for watching. I will bring you more detailed videos. See you.